In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language here in Canva. Now, what you want to do is log into Canva and come over to your home page. Then from here, we want to come up to the right hand corner where we see this little settings icon. Now, if we click on there, all we have to do is come to right here where it says language. Then if we click on here, we can type in the language that we're looking for, or we can scroll through this whole list to find the one we want, then simply click onto that language. I have it on English US. Let's just change this to the UK, like so, and then that has been changed. So that's just how easy it is to change the language here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.